Welcome back. Let's get you more breaking updates as far as when it comes to the smog season is concerned. Delhi NCR continues to choke under the very poor category of the air quality index, with the AQI at ITO recording 380 this morning. Toxic smog blanketing the national capital as the temperatures dip further. That has now prompted the CPCB to flag severe pollution levels. Visuals showing drastic reduced signs of visibility as the air quality worsens further during the morning hours, and in several areas and hotspots it is already recording in the severe category. So what has now been said, out of the 39 monitoring stations in Delhi, 20 of them recording the AQI above 400 as well, placing them in the severe zone. And this is the data that has now been provided by the Central Pollution Control Board, as far as Delhi's air quality continues to remain in the very poor category. Let's get you this ground report.
With the onset of the winter season, the national capital and adjoining areas continue to struggle with rising air quality indexes. In fact, currently we're reporting from central Delhi in the national capital, where you can see that a toxic layer of smog has completely blanketed the area. In fact, if we look afar, even 50 meters, requesting Tanveer to also show the visuals, you can see that it is not clearly visible. And the Delhi government has also now stepped in, stating that 50% of workforce is instructed to be at offices, not more than that, so that vehicular traffic can be reduced. In fact, GRAP 3 is also currently in force, which as a result has led to the stopping of construction work and BS4 vehicles not plying. You can also see that throughout this road we are not able to see clearly. There is a toxic level of smog, and also with the unprecedented volcanic eruption and the fact how it is entering India through Gujarat is also going to add to the severity of the AQI. Isha Mishra with Tanveer Ali for Times Now.
Moving on.